In a lush, vibrant forest, there lived a young squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was an inquisitive and eager learner, always fascinated by the wonders of the forest. One sunny morning, he embarked on an educational journey to explore the secrets and lessons the forest had to offer. His first teacher was Mr. Oak, a wise old tree with gnarled branches and a comforting presence. Mr. Oak explained the importance of trees in the forest, how they provided homes for animals, shelter from the rain, and oxygen to breathe. Sammy learned that trees were like the forest's lungs, cleansing the air and keeping it fresh and clean. Moving deeper into the forest, Sammy met Bella the butterfly, a creature of grace and transformation. Bella shared her life cycle, from a tiny egg to a caterpillar, then a chrysalis, and finally a beautiful butterfly. Sammy realized the beauty of change and growth, and how important it was to embrace every stage of life. Further along, Sammy encountered Freddy the fox, known for his cleverness and adaptability. Freddy taught Sammy about survival skills and the delicate balance of nature. He explained how each animal played a role in the ecosystem, keeping it in harmony. Sammy understood that every creature, no matter how big or small, had a vital part to play in the forest's web of life. Continuing his journey, Sammy stumbled upon a gentle brook named Brookie. Brookie told Sammy about the importance of water in the forest, how it quenched the thirst of plants and animals, and created a thriving habitat for many creatures. Sammy realized the significance of conserving water and treating it with care. As the sun began to set, Sammy sat under a canopy of stars, reflecting on his educational adventure. He realized that the forest was indeed a magical classroom, where every being had a lesson to teach. The forest had taught him about sustainability, growth, harmony, and care for one another. With a heart full of gratitude and newfound knowledge, Sammy returned to his cozy tree hollow. He shared his experiences with his fellow squirrels, inspiring them to respect and care for the forest and its remarkable inhabitants. And so, Sammy's journey became a cherished memory, igniting a lifelong love for the forest and a desire to learn from its timeless wisdom. The lessons he learned that day remained with him, guiding him through a life of understanding and reverence for the majestic forest and its inhabitants.